All right, welcome back to another video in the complete web dev series. In this chapter, we are building a CMS, and what we're going to do in this video is this is just a supplemental video. I had a user reach out and say, hey, my error messages are not showing up, and so I thought that I would show you guys how to check your initialization files, your php.ini files, and make sure that you have error reporting turned on. Now, on a live server, oftentimes you won't turn on your error reporting just because you don't want to give too much away about your server information and things like that. But on a development server, we absolutely want that on, and so that will help us debug things. So let me just go ahead and switch over to my screen here. And what I'd like you guys to do, you might have to look this up on Windows or Mac if you're there, but on Linux this is in opt lamp, and then we're going to look for etc and hit enter. And then if you do an ls, you can see that there's a php.ini file in here, and so what we're going to do is we're going to use vim. So I'm going to type sudo vim, and then we're going to do php.ini. And then when this opens up, what you're going to do is just scroll through here until you find an error reporting. Now for you, it may be that this error reporting is commented out. So just be careful if it's commented out to find it. So just go ahead and find that line. And what we're going to do is click I. So you hit I in the browser, or on the keyboard rather, to go into insertion mode. And then we're just going to remove, hang on a second. We're just going to remove the comment, okay, so that it says error reporting, and then this should say eall and deprecated and strict. So make sure it just looks like that. And then we're going to scroll down to another one here that says display errors, and make sure that this line is also not commented out, okay? And once you have that, hit escape to exit the insert mode, and then you're going to hold down shift and hit ZZ to save and exit that file. The next thing that you're going to do is go ahead and do sudo, and then we'll do opt lamp examp, sorry about that, examp, and then type restart, and that'll restart the Apache server here. And so if you change the PHP files, you have to restart the server, and then you can check that. Let's go ahead and mess this up on purpose. Let me open my browser real quick. And then type localhost /CMS, and then what we're going to do is go to your database, go down to core and find your database here, and then we're going to go to the, actually, you know what, let's go to the config file, and let's just put an extra S in your database name and save that. If you refresh now, you should see the error messages pop up. So if you see this error message, then you're good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix that in the config file and save that. I'll close that file out. Now if I refresh, no news is good news. There's no error messages, but we do want those error messages to show up. So examp may have those disabled or commented out for you by default, and that's why you have to change the php.ini file. All right, well, I hope that is useful. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.